In this video, we will review the pricing plans of Meet Alfred, a popular tool for LinkedIn outreach and automation. Before we get into the details, you should know that Meet Alfred offers 20% discount on quarterly plans and a 50% discount if you go with an annual plan. So, if you are planning to use this tool on a long-term basis, these discounts will make a big difference. But for this review, we are going to focus only on the monthly pricing so that you know exactly what you're paying and what you're getting. Let's start with the free plan. As the name suggests, it costs you nothing. It is great for beginners or anyone just curious about the platform. You get one active campaign, basic LinkedIn automation, and access to a limited lead finder, which is a tool that helps you discover potential prospects on LinkedIn. You also get a smart inbox that organizes your LinkedIn messages, a set of pre-built templates, automated greetings to new connections, custom tags to keep things organized, plus you can add notes and export your data. Moving on to the basic plan, priced at $59 per user per month, it gives you 3 active campaigns and full access to the lead finder, which makes searching and filtering for the right prospects much easier and faster. Everything from the free plan is included, and it's ideal if your outreach is growing and you want to start saving time. Next, we have the Pro plan, and it is the most popular option. It costs $99 per user per month, and the reason why this plan is the most popular is because you get unlimited campaigns, support for Sales Navigator, and multi-channel automation, which means you can run campaigns not just on LinkedIn but also on Twitter and email. It adds tools like email automation and automation for LinkedIn groups and events. There's also content retargeting. Other cool features include CSV campaigns, social media scheduling, webhook integrations to connect with other tools, and custom personalization snippets to make your messages feel more human. You can even send attachments and export both the campaign and CRM data. This plan is for serious users who want to take full control of their outreach strategy. Now, let's talk about the team plan, which comes in at $79 per user per month, but with a minimum of 3 users. Even though the per user price is lower than Pro, it only makes sense if you are a part of a small team. It includes everything from the Pro plan and adds some team-focused features like white label options. This lets you remove Meet Alfred branding so your outreach looks fully custom and professional. You also get advanced team settings to manage user roles and permissions, and team inbox management, which helps your team handle replies more efficiently. If you have 10 or more users, you can unlock volume discounts, a dedicated account manager, priority support, and even help with migration and onboarding. One quick comparison worth noting is that while the Pro plan has more features than Basic, it's only worth it if you need the multi-channel outreach and deeper automation. And although the team plan costs less per user than Pro, it's only available for 3 or more users, so solo users should definitely stick with the Pro plan. The free plan is great for beginners just testing the waters. Basic is for users who want reliable LinkedIn automation without too many extra options. Pro is perfect for individuals who want advanced multi-channel campaigns and integrations. Team is ideal for agencies or sales teams who need collaboration tools and premium support. So, this was everything you should know about the Meet Alfred pricing plans in order to make a decision. Now, if you want to know about SEO Writing AI, an amazing tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.